humidity to 73%. The wind was southwest at 7 miles an hour. And the barometric pressure...
This is a test from the National Weather Service in Green Bay. We have just activated the public warning alarm tone, which normally precedes the broadcast of emergency messages. This is a test of the warning alarm system for NOAA weather radio stations, WXJ89 in Wausau, KIG65 Green Bay, WXN69 Sister Bay, WWG88 in Crandon, WWF40 in Coloma, WNG552 New London, KC2XBZ in Gresham, WNG553 in Wasaki, and WNG565 in Rhinelander. Specially built receivers are automatically activated by this signal for severe weather watches and warnings issued for central and northeast Wisconsin. Tests of the warning alarm tone are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. Unless severe weather threatens the area, it will be postponed until the next available good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings that affect these 9 NOAA weather radio stations in central and northeast Wisconsin. If you would like a complete listing of the transmitter locations, frequencies, and the counties that they serve, please contact the Green Bay National Weather Service office at area code 920-494-2363 and select option number 7. The list is also available on the internet at weather.gov/GRB. This concludes the test of the public warning alarm tone. We now return to regular programming.
You are listening to NOAA weather radio station KIG65 Green Bay, your best source for weather information in northeast and east central Wisconsin.